Bridges, magnificent structures that span the gaps in our world, be it across rivers, valleys, or roads. They're not just engineering feats. They are symbols of human ingenuity, connecting distant places and people. From the humblest wooden planks to the soaring steel and glass marvels of today, bridges have always been more than a means of crossing. They're a testament to the evolution of science, mathematics, and creativity. But what makes a bridge stand strong? How do they endure the weight of countless cars, trucks, and trains? And what does it take to design and build the most spectacular bridges in the world? This is the science of bridges, from simple to spectacular. Foundation of bridge engineering. A bridge's foundation is crucial for its stability, anchoring it to the ground to withstand heavy forces. Engineers assess soil, groundwater, and seismic conditions to ensure a strong foundation, as a weak base can cause failure. Two, bridge types and their science. Bridges vary based on span, location, and load. Beam bridges distribute weight evenly. Arch bridges use compression to transfer forces. Suspension bridges rely on cables for long spans. And cable-stayed bridges offer a cost-effective design for medium to large spans. Three, forces at play. The physics of bridges. Bridges balance forces like tension, compression, shear, and torsion. When vehicles cross, weight is transferred to the bridge deck and supports. The collapse of Tacoma Narrows in 1940 led to advancements in wind engineering for safer designs. 4. Evolution of bridge materials. Bridge materials have evolved from wood and stone to steel, concrete, and composites. Steel offers strength, while concrete handles compression. Modern composites are lighter, more durable, and resistant to corrosion. 5. Iconic bridges of the world. Bridges like the Brooklyn Bridge and Sydney Harbour Bridge are engineering marvels, while the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge holds the world record for the longest central span and is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Six, the future of bridge design. Future bridges may use self-healing materials and smart technologies, with sensors for real-time monitoring, improving safety and longevity, with faster maintenance and more efficient management. Bridges may start as simple ideas, just a way to get from one place to another, but their evolution tells the story of human progress. From the first stone arch to the world's longest suspension spans, bridges are a marvel of engineering, bringing us closer together and carrying us across the divides of geography and time. They are a reminder that the science of today builds the wonders of tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of bridge engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible insights into the world of science and technology.